Hello viewers, welcome back to Globe Investment. In this channel you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video I am going to give few buy calls. So before going to the buy calls, I would like to discuss regarding the previous trading calls I have given whose targets got achieved. So now firstly we'll discuss regarding those. So now first we'll go to the Excel sheet. So those who are like first to my channel, I would like to mention that this is the Excel sheet where you'll be having the record of all the trading calls which I have given till now, where you'll be getting the exact date and the stock name with the time frame also, and the buying price and the target which I have given, and the date on which these targets got achieved, and the percentage return which we got on this particular trading calls. So by this you'll be able to get the accuracy of my trading calls. You can recheck these in your respective trading platforms on going to the respective dates on which I have given the buy call and on which we have got the targets achieved. So firstly we'll discuss regarding the MGL stock for which I have given the buy call on 23rd of last month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days, the buying price of 1110, the third target of 1200 which got achieved on 28th of this month, giving us a return of 8.10%. Okay, so that means we achieved this target of MGL in 24 days. Actually I have given time frame of 10 to 15 days and it crossed the time frame which I have given. This is the second stock till now which I think till now we have given more than, today it's going to touch the 50 trading calls. Among those, this is the second stock which crossed the time frame which I have given, that is we achieved this one in 24 days. That's why I marked this one in red color. So since we are getting 8.10% return, the person who invested 5,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 405 rupees. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 810 rupees. The person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 8,100 rupees. The person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 16,200 rupees, friends. And the next one is Inox Leisure stock. So if you see this Inox Leisure, I have given the buy call for this one on 24th of last month with a time frame of 1 month, the buying price of 270 and the third target of 311. We achieved this T3 on 27th of this month, getting us a return of 15.18%. That means the person who invested at the price of 270 and hold it till third target of 311 which I have given, they'll be getting this much of percentage returns. We achieved this target in 23 days itself, and I have given the time frame of 1 month. We achieved this in the time limit which I have given, friends. So since we are getting 15.18% returns, the person who invested 5,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 757.7 rupees. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 1510 rupees. And the person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 15,100 rupees. And the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 30,360 rupees, friends. And the next one is Supreme Industries stock. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 4th of this month with a time frame of 1 month and like buying price of 2120 and the third target of 2271, friends. We achieved this third target of 2271 on 27th of this month, giving us a return of 7.12%. We achieved this target in 16 days, friends, and I have given the buy call like the time frame for this one as 1 month, friends. So the person who invested 5,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 356 rupees. The person who invested like 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 712 rupees. The person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 7,120 rupees. And the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 14,240 rupees, friends. And the next one is Tech Mahindra. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 10th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 974 with a third target of 1,012 rupees. And we achieved this target on 27th of this month, getting us a return of 3.90%. So we achieved this target in 12 days. I have given the time frame in 10 to 15 days, and this one also we achieved it in the time frame itself. So the person who invested 5,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 356 rupees. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 712 rupees. The person who invested like 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 7,120 rupees. And the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 14,240 rupees, friends, within 12 days. And the next one is GPL stock. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 19th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 102.5 rupees and the third target of 109.6 rupees. And we achieved this one on 27th of this month, getting us a return of 6.92%. And these are the amount which we'll be getting because we got 6.92% and we achieved this one in 6 states itself. The person who invested 5,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 346 rupees. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 692 rupees. And the person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 6,920 rupees. And the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 13,840 rupees, friends. And the last one in this video, which achieved all the 3 targets which I have given till now, is BPCL stock, which I have given the buy call for the stock on 19th, as same like as 3 GBPL. with a time frame of 20 days with a buying price of 445, the third target of 486 friends, and this got achieved on 27th of this month, giving us a return of 9.21 percentage friends. That means the person who bought this one at 445 and sold this one at 486 based on my trading call, they'll be getting this much of returns friends. And we achieved this target same like as GPPL in 6 days itself friends. The person who invested 5,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 460 rupees. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 921 rupees, and the person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 9,210 rupees, and the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 18,420 rupees friends. So friends, when I'm saying the time frame friends, here 24 days, 16 days, 23 days, these are the days of market working days. Non-market working days are not counted friends. So that's why we are getting like these are the days which are counted only on the market working days. Please note this point. And the other stocks which achieve the targets but not 3 targets, I would also say regarding them. So before going to discuss those stocks, I will show these stocks which achieve all 3 targets in the market time frame also, that is in the market platform. So the first one is MGL stock. So we, as I told that we achieved the 3 targets on 28th of this month of 1200. Now I'll show that one. So if you can see here, it crossed 1200 and even went till 1222 on 28th of March. So that means it crossed the target which I have given. So this one is over, and the next one is Inox Leisure. I'll also show that one. So Inox Leisure stock, yeah. So as I mentioned here, this one got achieved on 27th of this month of the target of 311. So now we'll verify that one. 27th. Here the down in the graph here, the down ones are the dates, and here the right side bar graph is of the price of this respective stock. So on 27th I told. So from here to here, if you can see, there's a like the time frame of 27th. So on 27th you can see here it crossed till here. So yes, till here it went till 30. So this one till here you can see the down 27th at 3 o'clock it went till 314 friends. You can see on the right side part of the black color one which I am showing. So it went till 314. That means it crossed the third target which I have given of this Inox stock of 311. And the next one was Supreme Industries. We'll check that one also. Sorry, I typed wrong. SUPREME, Supreme Industries. Yes, so the third target of this one was 2271, and we achieved this one on 27th. We'll see that one on 27th. So it went till 2284 friends. That means it crossed the third target which I have given. And the next one is Tech Mahindra stock. Tech Mahindra. Yes, if you can see here, the Tech Mahindra, the third target was 1012, and this got achieved on 27th. We'll check that one. 27th, it went till 1031 friends. That means it crossed the target which I have given. And the next one is GPPL stock. So we'll see that one now. GPPL. Yes, so for this the third target was 109.6. On 27th it got achieved. So it went till 109.7 friends, 70. That means it crossed the third target which I have given. And the next one is BPCL. BPCL. So this one I told that it achieved the third target on 486 on 27th. Now we'll verify that one. On 27th it went till 487.75 friends. That means it crossed the third target which I have given. And so these are all the stocks which achieved all the 3 targets, and those which achieved some 1 or 2 targets, they are L&T stock which I have given on 24th of this month, the time from 20 to 25 days. It achieved the first target of 1480, giving us a rating of 2.77%. And EIH, this one I already mentioned in the previous video. I'll just check what are the the Gokes stock which I have given on 22nd. This one is a long-term stock with a time from 6 to 7 months, and the buying price was 125. It achieved the first target on 27th friends. You can please verify in your respective platform itself. We are getting a rating of 11.20% friends. And this one also M&M it achieved the second target friends. You can see here on 28th itself, giving us a rating of 5.43% friends. So by this you'll be getting the accuracy of my trading calls, so that you can follow based upon my trading calls. Now whether it's up to you whether you want to invest based upon my trading calls or not, it's like completely on your judgment, friends. So you can verify like these, which I'm like what I have done here. I'm cross-checking this in the TradingView platform. You can like see these in your any respective platforms like Upstock, Paytm, Grow, anywhere you can verify. We can go on to respective date and you can verify like this what I have done. So now we'll discuss the buy calls which I need to give. Today I'm going to give 6 buy calls, friends. So among the first one is KNR Construction. This is a time frame of 1 month, friends, and you need to buy this stock around 217 rupees with a third target of 265, second target of 260, and the first target of 250, friends. And the next one is Exide stock with a time frame of 15 to 20 days with a buying price of 191. The first target is 196 and the second target is 205 and the third target is 211, friends. And the next one is GMM Folder stock with a time frame of 1 month. You need to buy this stock around 5050 with a first target of 5448 and second target of 5530 and third target of 6000 rupees, friends. And the next one is JK Lakshmi Cement. So for this one the time frame is 15 to 20 days. We need to buy this stock around 523 rupees and the first target of 534 and the second target of 546 and the third target of 560, friends. And the next one is VIP Industries with a time from 1 month, friends. You need to buy this stock around 362.5 and the first target is 372, second target is 381, third target is 386.5, friends. And the next one is Bank of Baroda stock. You need to buy this one at 232.5, friends, with a time frame of 15 to 20 days. The first target of 87. Sorry, I think I mentioned here wrong. It's not 32.5, it's 82.5, friends. You need to buy this stock around 82.5 rupees, friends. Typing mistake. This is the first target and this is the second target of 90 and the third target is 95. Now I will show the technical analysis of these buying calls which I have given now, friends. So if you can see here, wait a minute, I'll just reload it. So this is the Exide stock one graph. I will reload it. Just give 2 minutes, it will get reload. Yes, so the Exide Industry stock, it's loading. Yeah, so if you can see here the Exide Industry stock graph. 1 minute, I'm putting a time frame. So wait a minute. Yes, so now you can see, friends, here how many buy calls we are getting. We'll just check now. So this is the vertex, the green color is above the red color one, okay, and this is the RSI, it should be above 60 and it is 61.61, and here the black color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal, and here this ADX ish, you can see here it's like in the upward direction. That means it's going to be an upper trend, and the Bollinger Bands also started expanding and the candles are also near the upper band itself, and the candles are above this. And if you want to see the Ichimoku cloud thing, the candles are above this cloud. And the next one is the super trend. You can see till here it was red and from here it became green. The second one also got satisfied, and the third one is the gray color line are, so here's, if you can see, the gray color line is in the candles. So this Ichimoku cloud thing we can't get the buy call because we need to satisfy 3 conditions in order to get the buy call, friends. So if we increase the time frame a bit, so wait a minute, just give me a second. 15 minutes thing is no, yeah, so this one is good. Yeah, so the Ichimoku cloud thing will not be satisfying as the 3 conditions not got satisfied in the Ichimoku cloud. So we are getting roughly 5 buy signals. As you can see, this blue color line is above the red color line, that gives one more buy signal. So we are getting 5 buy signals, so you can take this one as a buy call, friends. And the next one is GMM Folder stock. So this stock, if you can see here, friends, I think we'll be getting more than 5 buy signals. Now we'll see. Firstly, the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line, so this gives one buy signal, and the RSI is above 60, that is 63.98, and you can see the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line, this gives one more buy signal, and the ADX is also in the upside trend, so this gives one more buy signal, and the Bollinger Bands got expanded already and the candles are in the upside near the upper band itself, and this red color, this sky blue color line is above this black color line, this gives one buy signal, and the another dark blue color line is above the red color line. This gives one more buy signal. And in order to satisfy the Ichimoku thing, now firstly we'll see the candles are above this cloud, that one buy signal got satisfied. And the second one is that one only, which I've already discussed, that sky blue color line is above this red color line. That is the second one. And the third one is this gray color line is above the candles, it's far above, so this gives one more buy signal. So we are getting more than 5 buy signals, friends. So this is a perfect buy call stock, friends. So you can happily go as a buy call for these ones, friends. And the next one is JK Lakshmi Cement stock. So for this stock, if you can see here, the Bollinger Bands got expanded and the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal. And the RSI here, it's above 60, that is 76.74. This gives one more buy signal. And the MACD, if you can see here that black color line is above this red color line. This gives one more buy signal. And this ADX here, the line is started the upward trend. This gives one more buy signal. As I already told, the Bollinger Bands got expanded and the candles are also near the upper band itself. This gives one more buy signal. And the next one is this dark color blue line is above this black color line. This gives one more buy signal. And in order to satisfy the Ichimoku cloud, so 3 conditions need to be satisfied. Firstly, we'll see the candles are above the cloud. This gives one buy signal. And next one is the super trend is in green color. This gives one more buy signal. And the next one is the gray color line, which is above the candles. So all the 3 conditions got satisfied in the Ichimoku cloud. So that means we are getting more than 5 buy signals, friends. You can happily take this one as also buy call stock, friends. And the next one is VIP industry stock. So if you can see here, the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal. And the MACD, sorry, this RSI is below 60, that's 58. This does not count. So, and the MACD here, the black color line is above the red color line. This gives the buy signal. And the ADX from here, it started like upward direction, so this gives upward and this gives one more buy signal. And the Bollinger Bands also started expanding and the candles are also near the upper side only, so this gives one more buy signal. In order to satisfy the Ichimoku cloud, we need to see 3 conditions. The first one is whether the candles are above the cloud or not. So you can see the candles are above the cloud and the super trend is in green color. And the next one is the gray color line, which will be behind 15.1. So you can see the gray color line ended till here and it's above the candles only. This gives, that means all the 3 conditions in the Ichimoku cloud got satisfied. So and the next one is, you can see this dark blue color line above the red color, the black color line. This gives one more buy signal. And the sky blue color line is above the red color line. This gives one more buy signal. That means you can see, friends, we are getting more than 5 buy signals. So you can happily take this one as also buy call, friends. And then next one and the last one is Bank of Baroda stock. So if you can see for the stock also, so firstly we'll discuss the vortex. The vortex, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal. And the RSI, it's above 60, that is 70.53. This gives one more buy signal. And the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line. This gives one more buy signal. And the ADX, the upside trend, it gives one more buy signal. And the Bollinger Bands already started expanding in the upward direction. And the candles are in the upper side only. So that gives one more buy signal, friends. And next we need, in order to satisfy the Ichimoku thing, we need to see 3 conditions. The first is the cloud, the candles are above the clouds. This gives one buy signal. The super trend is in green color, so this gives one more buy signal. And the next one and the last one in the Ichimoku thing is whether it's above the candles or not. So the gray color line got end here and it's above the candles. This gives one more buy signal, friends. That means all the 3 conditions got satisfied in the Ichimoku, so the Ichimoku cloud gives the overall buy signal. And the next one is the dark blue color line is above this black color line. This gives one more buy signal. And the sky blue color line got mixed with this blue color line itself, but it's above this red color line, so that also gives buy signal, friends. That means we are getting more than 5 buy signals, so this one also gives a perfect buy call stock, friends. So those who does not have knowledge regarding these technical analysis, they can just simply follow the trading calls which I have mentioned here, because those analysis and all is for those who have some knowledge regarding the technical charts. So I hope you are liking my videos. So if you like, do please like and subscribe, and also share to your friends or family members, those who you want like to get profits like you, friends. Bye bye, and meet you all in next coming videos, friends.